Welcome back with me, Gummy Swirl. Don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up. Don't also forget to comment down. Okay, looks like I'm going to airport. I don't know what he's saying. I'll screenshot this at the end of the video. I'm going to put in Google Translator. Okay, guys. Okay, so I went to a bus with 5 players, I think. Yeah, 5 players. Who's this guy? Oh, he looks hurt. Oh, sorry you're hurt. I'm just like gonna jump his head. He's tall. Welcome, everyone. You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Yeah, duh. Why did you gather us here? Tell us! I'm the Robloxian States Army General. You can call me General Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order, or else you'll be expelled from the team. Now, please take a seat. Sit on the chair. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. Yeah. Let's get to the point. Okay, get to the point. Who's that guy? This is our target. His name is Ronald. We have to investigate and all know what did he do? That is where we are heading. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Oh no! Everyone in the plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, plane is still flying autopilot mode, which means everyone's safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find the plane and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald's infections and bring him to justice. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. I'm falling. I have to stay with him. Come in with us. He said follow me, and we even all went to the elevator. Everyone ready? Ready? That guy's leaving. No, it's shutting the door. They think a problem will happen. Going down. Look at us. Oh, he's sinking. Everyone's sinking. Yeah. Let's go, let's go! Oh, a plane. Welcome to the military cave. That is how we are going to save the airplane from Ronald. But first, let's get everyone set up. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. I have to get one, I have to get one. Let's get this one. Okay, I got an outfit. Looking good. Now let's check the system. Uh-oh, one person's in the server. Checking the plane. Not enough fuel. Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel. We will need to fill the plane tank completed before we take off. That is the fuel nozzle. There's 4 of them around the cave. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. I will fill the tank once all the noses are in the place. Alright, let's go! Say that again. I go, you're not doing anything. What? Be careful! I'm taking. I can't believe it. He said, let's go then. Hey, how do I put this? Yes, the green now. This is getting tricky. Okay, made it safe. Uh-huh. I have to run. Ooh, this is tricky. Actually, it's easy. Made it. I'm sure I'll make it. I'm sure. Okay. I lost a little health, but I'll just put it in. Excellent. All the noses are collected. Well, yeah. And now I'm hurt. And not enough filling tank. Filling the tank now. Okay, I'm just jumping. Tank full. Now we are ready. We are now. Let's go. I'm almost forgot. That's Pilot Collard. He will be our pilot through this mission. Okay. System is ready, General. Please start the engine, Pilot. Starting the engine. I have to go in. Engines ready. Yeah. Opening back door. I can't wait. There. Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Not a timer. I hate timers. I want to sit next to him. That makes me feel more safe. Okay. Why is his hands like that? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. Good luck, soldiers. You mean only me? Why did I get out of my seat? We are now flying in the kidnapped plane directly. Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. There is something about this Ronald guy. At first sight, he looks like a good person. Why would he do something like that? General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Here. It's healing me. You might need that energy for later. And I got here. Wait! Don't eat the banana! It's poisoned! No! What? He's dumb. Why would he? Haha, I'm just kidding. It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. Yeah, I almost thought I would die. And I was confused why you would give me poisonous banana. I'm sorry, I just had... Anyways, we will be flying for a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap. Whatever, everywhere. Or on the floor or on your seat. I'll wake you up when it's time. Okay. Time to wake up, everyone. There's only me for the last time. It's nighttime and it looks like we are inside a storm. We need to be ready in case we have to. General, we were struck by lightning. His smile. Our right monitor is in critical danger. Does that mean we will die? Okay, everyone, chill. Stop calling me everyone. I'll fix the monitor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Out there? I'm actually gonna go out there. Whatever. His score. This is so scary. The storm is getting worse. I'll fix the monitor quickly as I can. He's walking on this thing. He's stuck. He's He's stuck. How's he gonna fix the monitor? Come on, fix it instead of just down there. Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning. I need to knock this door. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I just go inside of here. I'm not fixing it. You're just getting me out. Lightning, don't strike me. Lightning, no, 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 no. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The monitor is fixed now. He's even just here. Oh, he appeared here. Why is he crawling? I've never seen such a strong storm. Yeah, and you know I almost died. You will not stop this fat. Burn. Fire. Quickly, inside. The plane. You're gonna pull it. Is everything okay? Pilot, I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. The giant skeleton. We didn't see no skeleton. General, never mind. Let's keep moving. You're crawling. We are almost there. General, we are finally here. Where are you crawling? Perfect. Everyone, pay close attention. Attention. We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. We need to get everyone out safely. I'm gonna destroy you, you said everyone. Once we are all in, just have one chance. Good luck, soldiers. I slapped him because he keeps saying everyone. Good luck, soldiers! Ah! Okay, I have to calm down. This is it. We are in the plane. It looks like Rowan had covered the door. I wanted to do this my whole life. Oh no. We better hurry. Check the storage. See if you can find anything to open the store. Okay, this hammer will help. Great, you found a hammer. That will work. Uh-oh. It's over now, Ronald. At least he's more handsome than you. How did you get here? Dolly sneaked. I don't know how. Why is it glowing pink? There is no time to get after him. We need to save everyone on the plane first. And see, everyone, every time runs out. I have to hurry. I have a timer. Last person. You are all the noobs and now safe in the aircraft. Great. But there is still one left. The captain. We have to run. This is it. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald. Who wants to be the hero? Step in front of the captain door. I will do it. This seems scary. All right. We trust you, Pin Girl 2012. Also follow me on Roblox. Run out, open the door. We can work this out. How did you get here? Renard, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. What is wrong, Renard? Tell us what made you do this. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend. Rona, you don't have to do this. We can be your friends. Friends? Would you really want to do that for me? Yes. We will be your friends because you are a good person. I don't understand if you can't save me. I've taken things too far. It's never too late to do the right thing, Ronan. Let's get out of this one together. Okay, I will. Become a good person. I'm not feeling well. Renard, are you okay? General! The captain's room is burning. There is no time. The plane is about to explode. Take this parachute. But General, what I will save Ron. And the captain. There is no time. Just go. It was a pleasure working with you soldiers. Make them more than that. No! I already did it. Yes, I'm... Hi. What? Everyone cheering! Yay! But I missed them already. What's gonna happen next? Oh, there's a cute little baby. These are the people on the plane. No. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe! Even if I feel bad, maybe he saved the Captain Renard. Maybe. Yeah, and he died. I'm gonna take a look. No. Okay, bye guys!